A warm welcome. Myself, Abhimanyu Kaushik, a PG research scholar from Kite School of Pharmacy, under the supervision of Mr. Himanshu Agarwal, Assistant Professor, Kite School of Pharmacy, Ghaziabad, presenting my topic Cerebral Ischemic Conditioning Responses, exploring the potential mechanism for post-stroke neuroprotective benefits. Start with the introduction. A stroke. A stroke occurs when the body supply to a part of a brain is interrupted or reduced, preventing brain tissue from getting oxygen and nutrition. Brain cell begin to die in a minute. Annually, 15 million people worldwide suffer a stroke. Of these, 5 million die and another 5 million are left permanently disabled, placing a burden on a family and community. A stroke is a medical emergency and prompt treatment is crucial. Early action can reduce brain damage and other complications. CIP, cerebral ischemic preconditioning, refer to a transient sublethal ischemia which results in tolerance to later otherwise lethal cerebral ischemia. Many attempts have been made to understand the molecular and cellular mechanism underlying the neuroprotection offered by a ischemic preconditioning, but the underlying mechanisms are still to be explored. Now we get to know what is ischemic preconditioning and postconditioning. A sublethal threshold ischemic insult applied to an organ. For an example, activates cellular pathway that can help to reduce damage caused by subsequent severe ischemic episodes. This phenomenon is known as ischemic preconditioning or ischemic tolerance. This observation suggests that ischemic preconditioning is an adaptive response to a potential noxious stimulus such as ischemia, hypoxia, hypoglycemia, or inflammation. Short episodes of ischemic reperfusion after a more severe type of ischemic shock to an organ are referred to as ischemic postconditioning. Ischemic state induce several biochemical changes in the brain. Changes are visible and can be evaluated by different behavioral and biochemical parameters. Some behavioral methods are Barnes circular maze, spontaneous activity for outstretching, climbing, body proprioception, elevated plus maze test, sucrose preference test, forced swim test, social interaction test, Morris water maze test, open field test, paw pressure test, novel object recognition test, which is also known as NORT. Now I am going to conclude my presentation with one liner, and that is we employ these methods or models to close the gap between preclinical research and clinical treatment. Thank you.